Have a nice day. Today I am going to post such video that what is sentence and how can we change a sentence, a statement sentence into interrogative sentence. Previous video I have posted such type of what are the kinds of sentences, what is the definition of sentences. Today I am learning about the such type of sentences, statement sentence, how to change into interrogative sentence. Here. Change into statement sentence to interrogative sentence. Here, statement sentence. Sentence. He goes to school every day. How can we change it into interrogative sentence? At first, we have to know about the main verb and helping verb. As you know, in interrogative sentence, we make in two types. First, with the help of helping verbs, and another with the help of declarative verbs. Here the sentence, he goes to school, he subject goes verb and to school every day object. When we change into interrogative sentence, at first we know what is the auxiliary verb. Here not auxiliary verb. So we have to search which type of auxiliary verb we need to put up. Here goes in simple past tense. So we put up does he go to school every day? Not out to this. Now, does he go to school every day? Another example. We are playing football. When we change into interrogative sentence, here we know about the sentence. We are playing football. This is a sentence present continuous tense. So here the helping verb and main verb are also present. So we need to change how to interrogative sentence. With the help of helping verb, are we playing Are we playing football? Now, another example. She wrote. Here, she wrote. Wrote here in simple past. she wrote a letter, that is simple past tense. So we have to choose helping verb did. Did she wrote write a letter. Now, another example with the help of WH words. Here she wrote a letter. We can say that what did she write? What did she write? We can change it with the help of WH words. So today I am give the such video about to how can we change interrogative sentence with the help of helping verb. Next video I will share about the